Hello everyone, if you're trying to play GTA 5 and you keep getting this error, unable to launch GTA 5 with the error code 7002.1, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your game easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to search for Rockstar Games Launcher, you're going to right click on it, click open file location, right click on it again, go into open file location, scroll down. Here you'll find this exe file called uninstall. You're going to go ahead and uninstall Rockstar Games Launcher from your computer. Do not tick any of these checkboxes. Just click continue on here and that should uninstall your Rockstar Games Launcher. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your file explorer, go into properties, go into Rockstar Games and just delete both of these folders called launcher and social club. And after that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up your web browser. You're going to search for Rockstar Games. And then you're going to go ahead and download the Rockstar Games Launcher manually and click download for Windows here. And once you download and install Rockstar Games Launcher from here, you should be able to play GTA 5 on your computer now. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.